My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called attack. Attack is the ransomware that encrypts files and damages the files considerably. Before the ransomware attack, definitely we don't have any troubles opening any file types. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, all other data can be opened easily without troubles, but sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this attack ransomware may pretty soon inject itself into the computer, and then users realize that this special attack7 extension was appended to the file names and that it is not possible to use the files anymore. This attack7 extension may be slightly different, the figure at the end may be different though. The ransomware then tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is certainly not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may waste your money. Don't pay it. By the way, this is the ransom note as HTML file, but you should not pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable antivirus program, and we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and surely this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. So then, after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated by Combo Cleaner, the software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Then, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were found on the system. Please pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware, and with its anti-ransomware feature, it also helps to protect your files, but it does not decrypt files. Nevertheless, premium license is powerful enough to fully detect this ransomware and to remove it from your computer. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of infections. You'll be able to know their exact locations on your computer. Consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to protect your data. And also, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data that was encrypted by this ransomware.